Drive in that car, let's go.
Don't pull your gun out. Let the rifles handle it. If something comes in, we'll engage them.
You got it.
I don't want you shooting anybody or any one of us.
You got it.
Every officer that comes up is going to be a target if they're driving on.
You got your camera up?
Yes, sir.
All right, activate it.
We're good. I'm already activated.
Come from Mandalay Bay.
I don't even think we're fucking logged in.
Okay, all units on this do not go on the boulevard. Do not go on the boulevard.
Yeah, I was trying to get in on yours, and I pulled mine up. I didn't know what password to use.
Then here, let's use your car. Bring his car around. Yeah. You let me know where I'm safe. I'll get there. Turn the lights off. It's going dark.
So you guys know, he's saying it's coming from both Mandalay and Luxor. He said they got two firing positions coming down from Luxor and Mandalay.
This will take us right here. Reno will take us to the Arco, basically.
Yes.
Yes. And then from there, we can at least see southbound. Because if they're shooting towards the village is right over here in this area. I don't know what you guys are dealing with, like trauma or triage or trying to get anyone away from it. I hear you. So where would be a good spot for us to hang out
Right here. The gate's open right there. Hey, you know what? If you want to help out,
So word is it's coming in from both ends, Luxor and Mandalay.
Sheriff of perimeter, Tropicana and Russell, and lock a good out of perimeter now. As well as evacuate. We need a perimeter now.